In front of me is LG K42, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial pad tones on the following device. So first of all, let's just take a look at the current setup. Yeah, so actually it is not muted. As you can hear, it is working, and we've got the sound on. But if you'd like to mute it, you need to enter the settings, then find and select sounds right here. Go to the bottom of the list, and here you will notice dialing keypad sound. Smoothly unmark it, and from now on it will be muted. As you can hear now, we cannot hear anything actually, so it is muted. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.